Ooh, what's up, y'all? This Princess B, one half of the Gemini Twins. You can follow us at the Gemini Twins, and you can follow me personally at Blind Princess B. I'm doing that She Ratchet anthem. So yeah, I hope y'all like this. Matter of fact, y'all is gonna like this because I think I'm a real actor. You know, get a little dramatic sometimes. But anyway, all right.
And Hudson, follow me on Twitter.
Follow me at Blind Princess B again.
All right. Now,
all right.
This video is finna talk. I'm finna tell y'all about girls.
It explains itself.
So we're just gonna play the music.
We just gonna play the music. Oh my God, who let her come out the house looking like that? I'm finna turn up on slime. She's doing the most. She's doing the most. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong, cause she ratchet. Keep the phone. I'm finna take this type of picture. Got it. I'm finna put this girl on Twitter, cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fat. Girl, let me tell you what I got, mommy. Girl with baby boy, and he came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, and I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor. No shoe whistle. Had to get cute today. I bought jean for a boot today. Get shoes today. Need new shoes today. Child important 2 days. Yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today? Beef it up. Mood trim. I got my boobs down. Brand new piercing. Brand new tech. $95 for this week plus tax. Bop. Anything go, I spent my time. Go ahead and hit this cake along. Thinking that you better. But then you think you're wrong. Chill out. My number. Boy, bye. Hey, girl. You look good today. So let me see what we go through in. Okay. OMG, what does she have? Oh, she ratchet. Her lace front is all right. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter, cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with your shoes on. Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. My name is Princess B, and the niggas call me baby. We party.
Yes, I am the bad.
Boo boo, sorry. Is my future baby daddy. Mari, got my jersey dress on. Got my press on. My team dark skin. We don't like them red bones. My pictures. New Abby got glitter. On Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Chris Brown. She don't shut it up. Then this team shut it down. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then this team he paying. What you saying? He might as well spend it all on me. You ain't looking like nothing. You ain't looking like nothing. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Ooh, please. Oh my God. What do she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. Give me the phone. I'm finna take this type of picture. Got it. I'm finna put this girl on Twitter, cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with your shoes on. Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh.